What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we got a day trading recap. Check it out. What's going on, guys? Did you miss me? I know I've been gone for a few days. Been working down in the Keys at the investment property and hanging out with the family, doing a little fishing, boating, and work. So I've been trading. As you know, I've been posting some of my P&Ls throughout the week. I traded Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't think I traded Thursday, and I didn't trade on Friday. So I'll go over all those recaps. I have all those notes written down. I got screenshots. We're gonna go over recaps here this week throughout, about all those trades I took last week, and as well as we're gonna go over today's day trade. Today's day trade was really fast. I didn't expect it to be so quick. I thought I'd be in the trade a little bit longer, but it is what it is, guys, and I grabbed some nice profit to start the week, okay? So today's trade for me was on NETE, but before we jump into NETE, how about that SPY? Talk about a gap down, guys. I've pretty much been ignoring the overall market since I was gone for the week, and I see here now that we've had I know we had this recovery. I was watching how I was looking at my long-term swing stuff here and my retirement stuff, and I was like, wow, this is nice recovery, because I added, I bought stuff in here, my retirement in here, and then I bought Boeing and Disney down here, as you've seen. So it was nice to see this ride up, but man, talk about a gap down. Look at this thing. That's nasty. So I kind of stayed away from the SPY this morning because I thought it'd be choppy, and it certainly hasn't disappointed in the sense that it is a little choppy. It was like, we're going to go low, then we're going to go up, then we're going to, fail in front of 29.99.50, and then we're going to hold VWAP support and we're going to bounce. At this point, I wouldn't be surprised to see it hit this 301 area right here and fail back down the rest of the day, but you never know. You never know with the SPY. Today on watch, I had NETE, I had EDSA. Okay, EDSA, nice. I didn't get to see that since I just traded NETE. And I also had on watch look at this one, HGSH. Whoops, HGSH. I had this one on watch. And this one, right out of the bells, the bell, it rang. We got a low here, 141, and then we pushed all the way up here to 220. That's a real nice move. And now it's coming back down. But if this breaks over VWAP, I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing make a move. It's held this 180 area. If it can hold that 180 area, I wouldn't be surprised to see it make a big move. It's got room, guys. It's got room. If it breaks 250s, it's got room. So $3 wouldn't be out of the question here. A little rusty on these videos. I tried to make some YouTube videos while I was over there, and I couldn't figure out how to screen capture on my laptop. I was so mad, guys. I was so mad. But nonetheless, we're going to go over everything. Now, let's jump into today's recap. And as I do me that quick favor. Smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and comment in the comment section below. I just noticed, guys, that the channel, we went from 7,000 at the start of the month, and we're already up almost near 7,500. Guys, thank you so much. Remember, when we get to 10,000, we're going to do that giveaway where I'm going to give away a fully funded trading account to one lucky subscriber. All right. Remember also to check out my website, hustlewithjessew.com, for more trading information and a little shop section there with some t-shirts you might like. So let's see here. So we got NETE was my trade of the day, and NETE, I'm going to show you two different levels here. Okay. Two different levels. As I grab these levels here, do me a quick favor, guys. Check out the links in the description section below. You'll see the links to my trade idea scanners right here. This is where I saw NETE this morning, and EDSA as well as HGSH. Okay, you can get the trade idea scanners down there in the description section. Also, remember to check out Webull, the stock trading app. All you got to do is download the app from my link there, and funded with $100, you're going to get 2 free stocks valued between $1,400 to $1,200. So you want to take advantage of that. Also, check out Free Trade or First Trade. It's down there as well. If you download the app, open an account, no need to fund it. You're going to get 1 free stock. So yes, 3 free stocks just for downloading an app and putting $100 in one of them. So not a bad deal at all. And look at NET with this quick little bounce back, but I mean, it violated the support level that I'm going to show you. It went all the way down here to 960. If it breaks VWAP, we can see this thing squeeze up here to high a day, break over 13, and I mean, this thing's got room to fly, okay? It's got room to fly. If we break over 14, what is this, 1450 zone, 1450, 1550 zone, between that dollar area, you know, if we break that, dude, we got a lot of room. We got a lot of room. So we're going to keep this on watch. But here, let me show you that zone here on the daily first. See the zone right here is 1050 zone right here. These tops just underneath these as well. Okay, that's that zone right there. And then you had it coincide with some, with some pre-market action right here. This is a 3-minute chart. You can see pre-market, it was holding this 1050 zone right here. Okay, you'll see it here on the 15-minute chart as well. So you can see it was really holding for quite a while. Okay, so when let's get these, can we get these charts off the screen? There we go. Thank you, computer. Now, what happened here is, right out of the gates, this thing just pushed from 1120s all the way up here to $13 and change in this 1 3-minute candle. And then it took it all right back and halted. I actually got pumped up when that happened because I said, you know what, if this opens up and just taps this $10 area, I'm going to load up. I was thinking about buying 500,000 shares down here because the stop would have been, you know, really small. It would have been like a 10-20 cent stop at that point, and we had a shot at dollars. So it made total sense. But the halt resumed and it just tapped this 1060 area and then took off. So when it did that, you know, right in here in this, inside of this candle, I bought 100 shares. Then I bought another 100 shares down here closer to 1080s. And then when this next candle broke over 12, I bought another 200 shares. I doubled up there to 400 shares because I had dreams of a huge push to 13. And that would have been very nice and very welcomed. However, it didn't do that. It halted right here at 1250s. And then that happened. And that was really unexpected. That was really nasty of a pullback. Now, it's looking kind of interesting right now. I'm not going to lie. Holding this 9 EMA and this $10. If it breaks VWAP on some volume, this thing is going to fly. So let me grab the live trade here so I can show it to you. Oh, look at that. Man, I'm telling you, that thing can move. We're gonna keep that candle there just so we can see it with our peripheral vision. Hope I pronounced that correctly. Anyways, guys, so here it is. This is a super fast trade. I don't even know. This is not the video. This should be it. There it is. So I'm in here, 200 shares. Cost base is $11. Stop is 1050 area, and I'm looking to see if we can break over 12. I'm going to add to it. Already up, you know, nicely on the trade, 140 bucks, 120 bucks. But I'm looking to add. I really want to add because I know this thing can squeeze really nasty. So I'm just watching. There I add. Now, when I add there, I do start to feel a little bit uncomfortable. And I always feel a little bit uncomfortable when I do those ads. I got to see what I do about that. Maybe I won't double up. Maybe I'll just add, you know, whatever, 10% of what I have. So I had 200 shares. Well, not 10%. I had 200 shares. I would have just added another 100 instead of doubling up to 400 because my average would have been lower. I probably would have felt a little bit more comfortable. However, at this point here, I'm holding my stop just underneath this very same candle. If it starts to go bearish, exit it just because I'm not feeling comfortable. In reality, I should leave it, you know, at 1050 because the ad was probably a little bit premature. And I think that's what made me honestly uncomfortable in the trade itself. But I'm in there, 400 shares, 1153 cost basis. You know, that's my average right now. And I'm just looking for that squeeze to like $12.50, $13. We start to get that quick pop there. And I'm like, well, this is not looking bad at all. Right around here, when it just doesn't go, I sell it. I sell it out right there at 12.17. Boom, it's gone. The very next little clip here, you can see we halt at 12:44, and then the resumption, I wanted to record it, was, I mean, I guess I did the right thing, all things, you know, considered, because the resumption just failed. it failed to push up to new highs or even test the high a day. So, you know, that was, and it has never reclaimed it. Look, even now. So I'm happy. Made 255 bucks in 400 shares. So I'll show you here the order statuses. I buy 100 at 11.29. I buy 100 more at 10.84. I buy 200 at 12, and I exit at 12.17 right there. So that was a real nice take profit. So that was a real nice take profit there. And, you know, real nice way to kick off the week, get back into it on my regular platform. So that helps out a lot. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and smash the like button for me. I'll catch you on the next one.